Meaning of Dandie Dinmont.
Dandie Dinmont.
Dandie Dinmont.
Dandie Dinmont.
Dandie Dinmont. Dandie Dinmont is a breed of dog that originated in the border regions of Scotland and England. The name comes from a fictional character, Dandie Dinmont, in Sir Walter Scott's novel Guy Mannering. The character was a farmer who owned 6 dogs of this breed. The Dandie Dinmont is a small hunting dog with a distinctive topknot of hair on its head and long, low-set ears. They are known for their loyalty, intelligence, and affectionate nature, and make great companions for those who are willing to give them plenty of attention and exercise.